Okay students, today we have to determine the hardness content of the water sample in terms of calcium carbonate. Now you already know that the water can be distinguished in two categories, soft water and hard water. Water which does not produce lather readily with soap solution is known as hard water. Hard water on heating, it leaves deposit of the scales on the walls of the container. Therefore, estimation of hardness of water is done before using water in the boiler for steam generation. The hardness can be classified as temporary hardness and permanent hardness. Now, temporary hardness is due to bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium which can be removed on boiling. Permanent hardness is due to presence of sulphate, chlorides and nitrates of calcium and magnesium. It does not remove on boiling. The total hardness is due to presence of dissolved bicarbonates of sulphate, chlorides, nitrates of calcium and magnesium. It does not get removed on boiling, hence it has to be removed by chemical method. So to find out the hardness, we will do the complexometric titration of ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid as it forms a soluble complex with metal ions like calcium and magnesium. The Erichrome black tea indicator to detect the endpoint, as the stability of the complex and the color change of indicator are sensitive to pH changes. The solution to be titrated must be well buffered with ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride solution with pH 10. So this solution is the buffer solution whose pH is 10. It is consists of ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride. This is the Erichrome black tea indicator used. A pinch of powder will be added wherever is required. So first of all you have to fill the burette. Now first of all you fill the burette with EDTA solution. Now here you can see that this 0 ml of the water sample you have to fill the burette, and you fill the burette by adding EDTA. The burette has to fill up to the 0 of the burette reading, and then you have to titrate with the water solution. So the 25 ml of water sample is here. I will add this 25 ml of water sample. After adding, I have to add the indicator Erichrome black tea. Before that you add a buffer solution, and then you add a pinch of this indicator in this water sample of 25 ml. You will get this wine red color of the solution after adding the buffer solution and the Erichrome black tea indicator. Now you can titrate this, means you have to add the solution of EDTA of 0.01 molar EDTA. So I'll keep adding drop by drop till the solution gets blue in color. Okay, keep adding this, and you have to stir it so that if the color changes to blue, you have to stop at that moment. Now this EDTA solution will form a complex with calcium and magnesium. Now it has changed the colors a little light. See here, as it is ending to the end point blue in color, so you have to stop at this moment. Okay, So you got the solution now, blue in color. If you compare with this color here, this solution has turned to blue in color. So that means we have achieved the end point from wine red to blue color. You have to stop. Now check the burette reading. Whatever is the value, you have to multiply by 40. You will get the total hardness of the water sample. Now I got the reading 2.5 ml. Okay, so 2.5 ml is the reading here. So 2.5 ml is the reading here. You can note down here the value here. 2.5 multiplied by 10, it's become 25 ppm is the hardness of the water. Okay, so in this way we have performed the experiment and we have got the solution blue in color. The hardness of the water, permissible range of the hardness of water should be below 300 ppm. So it is below 300 ppm. Okay, so this is the experiment to determine the hardness of water.